Okay. What is full text search in MySQL and how is it implemented?
Uh, Full text in MySQL. Yes, full text is a feature of MySQL that allows you to search for a specific word or phrase within a column or set of columns or table. Like we use the uh, aid the query like create full text index in the index name on table name, then with the column. Okay, so mostly we use which is this is a special type of index that is optimized for fast text searches. So if we had like once we created that the query, and then we can use as a match function, and again is the against function to perform the full text search in a MySQL.